Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. So I started playing this a while, but I didn't record it. Anyways, let's play. Also, leave a comment below and slap that like button. Slap that like button and turn those notifications on. All right, let's play. Oh, fuck. Oh, psych! oh, crud! I didn't see that coming. We have to get more coins than usual, so I'll win the top run to get diamond or gold. Well, diamond is better than diamond. Well, bronze is first place. And how does the crud! I didn't jump the time that I was supposed to. Oh, crud. Oh god. Nope, no. Oh. I thought I was gonna hit. Oh. Hang on guys, I'm AFK. So leave a comment below if I missed something or did it. Oh god. Crud. Oh crud. Yeah, let's look at the top run. Oh. Ow! Oh, okay, okay, I was AFK for a second. I was trying to know what my dad was saying, so I can do a video of my room. Oh yes, get the U. Huh. I'm afraid to go on trains. I don't wanna go to school. I just wanna go to my boys and girls. Oh. What? Man, my high school. Man, that high school. Oh, I almost got the S. No fair. I didn't get the. Oh God. That is too fast. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. And comment below if I missed something or not. And bye, everybody.